Running an independent garage isn't just about repairing cars anymore. It's bookings, chasing approvals, paperwork, calls, messages, and trying to keep the workshop full at the same time. That's why we created Umoto, a platform built to help independent garages manage the entire customer journey while making running your workshop simpler, faster, and more profitable. Customers stay connected through the Umoto app, and for those who prefer not to use it, everything can still be sent directly from the portal by email. When customers use Umoto, staying connected to your garage is simple. They can book work in seconds, approve jobs straight from their phone, and get reminders when their vehicle needs attention. So you see more repeat bookings, fewer missed opportunities, and approvals coming back quicker. With Umoto, the job often starts before the customer even arrives. The job's already logged, the vehicle details are there, and check-in takes seconds. No paperwork, no lost notes, everything organized in one place. Approvals, updates, invoices, and payments, all handled through the system by app or email. So your team spends less time chasing admin and more time keeping the workshop moving. Umoto was built by people who understand what garages really need. Less admin, more time doing the work that makes you money. Umoto handles the rest.